Welcome back to Structured Traders for another weekly trading recap for you guys. We're going to be going over what we did so far this week on S&P 500 here on our combine. So with that said, if you guys do like the videos, please go ahead and smash that like button, and if you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe with us. But let's go ahead and take a look at it. So for S&P 500, we'll start off at the beginning of the week. We did take a nice short opportunity here, which we got an entry 43.75 down to 41.75. Nice little scalp right there. Moving over, let's see. Actually took quite a bit of trades this week, so we'll show you guys. We had a short opportunity right here, 44.70.50. You can see the stop here, 44.75.75. Got stopped out there. Then we had two more entries here, 78.75 and 77.25. We took one here, 44.75.25 as a target. Then we had another one here, 44.75.50 as a target as well. So took some profit on that. Then we had an entry here, 44.81.75. Nice slingshot short. Got it down into 79.75, but we couldn't push any lower. Then the market started to move up from there. Moving over, we had another entry here, 44.82.75. You can see the stop right here, 44.87.75. Got stopped out there. We got two entries here, one at 44.90 and one at 44.89.25. You can see the targets both right here, 44.86.25 on each. So a nice little bit of a profit there on that short scalp there. Entry here, 44.88.50. We got stopped out. You can see the stop right here, 44.93.50. That was one of our stops there. We had another entry, 93.50 for the long. Finally got on the bull side here. And you can see we had another, so 93.50 and 93.25 were our two entries long. We got them both into 97.50. You can see the targets up here, 1 and 2 off, so not so bad. Entry here, 98.25 for the short at the top of resistance. Got it down into 97.25. And we called it a day that day for some profit. Took enough trades there. Moving over into our next day, let's take a look here. Let me see. Okay, so moving over here, starting off our next day, we had a short here, 44.83.25. Got it into 81.25. Nice bearish day here. 77, nice short into 75. Nice profit there. 76.25 was a nice short into 74.25, and then here 73 short into 71. So pretty nice trades. 1, 2, 3, 4 trades, profitable trades there. So nice trading day that day as well. Let's go ahead and take it over here to our next day, I believe. So here, I believe the 24th. Yeah, the 24th is where we got hit a little bit hard here. Had to take a breather in between and then come back with a fresher mindset here. But with an entry here, 44.70.25, you can see we got stopped 65.25 first right there. We had a nice short here right after that to kind of recover here. So moving this up, entry 44.64.25, got it down into 57.25. So that was a great short opportunity as price couldn't break back to the upside here and started to collapse. Now another entry here where we went short 62, wanted to get it right off this low here, but the market pulled up deeper. And we got stopped out 44.70, right, from 62 to 70. So a little bit of a bigger hit there. We had another entry here short 67.50. Wanted to get it right off this top. You can see we got taken out as price couldn't move down lower. Could have ended up taking some profits. So on this specific day, we want to go over what we did. We actually could have taken quite a bit of profits here and entered multiple times for that scalp move, but we wanted to take longer moves, and that's where we kind of got hurt on this specific day. So had to go back and just give it time, take a look at what I was doing, and I was trying to capture the bigger moves instead of taking profits along the way. That's where we got hit. So we got stopped out at those 70s. Entry again 67.50. Got stopped out here 72.75. We got another entry here long 73.50, and again another entry here 75. You can see we got taken out here right at 68.50 on each of those long opportunities there. So again, we got hit a little bit hard there. We didn't take the profits on the way up, and we really should have. You can see price went up into these 77s. to 78s. And again, you can see entry here 73.50. We didn't take the profits there around 77 to 78 and really could have, but we want to see it try to climb higher. Again, 75 could have easily taken some profits, but we didn't. And then we got hit on the way back down, taken out at those 68.50. So it's a little bit rough seeing that happen. We had to kind of take a little bit of a breather and then step back in. Again, that's part of trading though. You got to make sure that you can discipline yourself. If you've taken enough losses, either step away for the day is what I like to say, or take a breather away from the charts, you know, get some breakfast, take a run, take a shower, whatever it takes, and then come back with a refreshed mind. Now, here we got some entries here, 64, 75, and 65. Again, you can see we get stopped out here, 44.70 on each of those shorts. Now, we start to recover right around here, 44.72. We end up getting a long entry, and then we end up entering another one at 72 as well. So nice bounce, rotation, bounce again. We're looking for that slingshot up, and this is where we start to recover. 44.83.25 on both of those entries. We got those targets here, 83.25. So that was a nice trade there. And you can see we shorted here, nice 5-lot short, 83.25 into 81.25. Covered that. We entered here short 81.25, got stopped 86.25. Then again, we had two entries here, 87 and 87.50. Entered. We got stopped out on 192 and another 192. So we get stopped out on those. We get another entry here, 44.89.75 and 44.89.75. And you can see we get stopped out again. So we recover, then we take some hits again, have to get up, walk away for a little bit. We got stopped out 44.95.25 and 44.95.25 on these two entries short. So we got stopped out again there. Now here we start to recover again, 44.95.75 and 44.93.25. So we take our longer positions down into it, 44.82.50 and 44.82.50. We hit our long-term targets here, and then we take another short entry here, 44.84 and then 44.84, and we get target 44.82. So again, we recovered. We only ended off with profit for the day on this, about $11. But at one point, I think we were down like maybe $1,400-$1,400, and then we recovered all of that. Again, just a matter of disciplining yourself and kind of taking some space in between, just to kind of breathe, see what we're doing. But we reviewed everything at the end of the day. On this trading day on the 24th, and again, most of this stuff is just due to not taking profits along the way and then letting the other ones run. Would have been better we try to do that, but we just didn't, so it's okay. Things happen, and we said, you know, we'll just discipline ourselves the next day. So we come in here, let's move over into the 25th, which is the end of our trading week here. So we enter 45.20.25, got a nice one into 18.25, start to take our positions, scalp it here. We have another entry, 45.12 to 45.14, so nice entry there. 45.21.50, oh I'm sorry, 45.23.50 short into 45.21.50, so nice profit there. And then we take another trade here, 45.17.25 long into 45.19.25. So hit our target, and I believe this is one of our last ones here. Entry short 45.33.50, got it into 31.50. See, price climbed up a little bit higher, but we took our profits along the way. That pretty much sums up our trading for the day that we had. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we did so far for the week. So moving over into our journal here. So pure structure trading journal here, pulling this up. You can see we had our positions here, we had our profit. So we ended off the week so far on the combine 13.33.50. So did very nice on the combine here. Did pretty decent too on our smaller account and also our regular account. So did some pretty good profits for the week. But again, you can see on the 24th is where we took a little bit of a hit. And again, we only ended off with about $11. So if we move up here, $11.20 was what we ended off with for that day. So again, we could have ended off pretty red in this specific day, but again, you got to take some breathers, and if you're not capable of disciplining yourself, you want to make sure that you just kind of step away for the rest of the day if you're not confident in your ability. Again, trading is about being able to discipline yourself and make sure that, you know, if you've taken the certain amount of losses that you have set for yourself in the day, make sure you follow that, and most times you'll end up profitable for the end of the week. If you don't, that's where you see yourself blowing the account, and also where you see yourself getting emotionally pulled down and thinking like you can't trade, you're not good at this stuff, you'll never be a good trader. And those are usually the days you want to stay away from just overdoing it, so you don't bring yourself down emotionally like that. Again, most of this stuff in day trading is mental, so you just want to make sure that your mental capital and the way that you think is positive, right? And you continue to stay positive in your thinking, and, you know, not let those negative thoughts bring you down. But pretty good for the week so far. Pretty happy with everything. That's pretty much sums it up for what we did this week. Hopefully you guys enjoy the videos. If you guys do, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Again, we'll probably be doing this little journey on the combine for you guys so you guys can see as well. Did nice profits there on the smaller account and continue to build that. But again, we'll just do a little trading journey with you guys on the combine as well. Again, if you guys are looking to learn how to trade successfully in the markets, make sure you guys join us here at Pure Structure Trading. You guys take care. Have a great night.